Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railfan here, and welcome to another model rating video. So, in honor of the fact that I finally hit 2,000 subscribers, so this is a little bit of a 2,000 subscribers special video, I have another new locomotive here. Just in time for the holiday season. So, it's another ScaleTrains locomotive, so you're wondering what this is. So let me turn it over. And there it is right here. It is my favorite NS Heritage unit up there, which is the Conrail Heritage unit. This is actually my favorite of the ES44ACs. So, I got that. So we'll be doing an unboxing and overview of it. So, just gonna slide it out like this. You just slide it out. That's the lid aside. And what it contains is it contains a product manual. And it has the foam to protect the locomotive, and there is the locomotive itself. There it is. So let me get it out. So just gonna slide it out like that. Set the box aside. Set the box aside, and slide it out. And there it is. There's the locomotive. Wow. That looks very stunning. So, once it's out of the packaging, we'll begin the overview of it. Alright, so here it is. There's the Conrail Heritage in it. Gotta say, it's very nicely well done. Look at all that details for being a rivet counter locomotive. Wow. So you can see it's got the LED headlight, ditch lights, MU hoses, trailer hoses, that's coupler, windshield wipers, and so this is the modern version of it. So it's got PTC, because it looks like all 10 of the Heritage units that ScaleTrains is doing all have the modern PTC. So these are basically their new designs, like because when they were first delivered, they didn't have PTC. They had like the dome on the top, but afterwards, then when the regulations became a thing, Norfolk Southern started installing PTC on all their locomotives. And then so there's that. The cat. Row number looks really nice. Got a cab interior. Just very stunning. And look at that. And there's the can opener scheme, because the can opener scheme looks really cool. Look at that. Amazing. And the bearing, and then here are the truck's details. And for being a rivet counter locomotive, the bearing caps do rotate when the train is moving. You can see the detail. There's the K5HL horn. Correct. So now we're going to turn the locomotive around. So we'll look at the conductor's side. Absolutely well done. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. And then there's the E-bell on the fuel tank. And here's the rear. And it's got rear ditch lights, the headlights, and everything. I think from what I heard, since this is a DCC ready locomotive, the rear ditch lights do not light up, from what I heard, for DCC ready. So, there's that. So there it is. There's the little overview of the Conrail Heritage unit. So this is another Heritage unit I have. So this probably makes it my third ScaleTrains ES44AC Heritage unit, because I have the Southern. Now we got Central Georgia, which I got as a late birthday present, and now this would be like a little, somewhat an extremely early holiday gift. Some sort, but so yeah. So I'm actually really glad I got this one, because I did have a Bachmann version of this locomotive once before, and you may wonder, what am I planning? Because now that I have this one, I might have to think about possibly selling my Bachmann one, because I'll get my Bachmann one right here. So Right here is the Bachmann one I have. As you can see, it still runs nice, and it's got ditch lights and still runs okay. The sounds are pretty nice. Haven't been running it much, but I think it runs pretty nice because it's just been, well, in the locomotive yard for quite some time. So there's that. So you can see I got the Bachmann one, and then there's the ScaleTrains. So there's a possible chance I'm thinking about selling this. So be on the lookout for that. So I'll have to think of, because it's gonna take some time for me to learn how to sell things. Like if I want to sell them on eBay, but it's gonna take some time because I never actually sold anything on eBay before. So it's gonna take some time. So I'm gonna need to get some experience on how to sell things on eBay. So stay tuned for that, because that could take some time once I get used to it. So when I get used to taking the photos, making a starting bid, and once the auction ends, then the item will be shipped out to the new owner who purchased this. So it's gonna take some time for me to sell. So stay tuned for that. So anyways, with my ScaleTrains ES44AC, I gotta say this is very well done. And I can't wait to run this locomotive on the layout, so I can run them on some of the NS trains, or it can serve as foreign power as well. So yeah. So anyways, that's gonna do for this 2000 sub special, because I really want to say thank you all for enjoying my content and admiring all the model railroading and the rail fanning content I made. So, and I want to thank everyone for helping me reach my goal of getting up to 2,000 subscribers before 2024. And just want to say I'm very grateful for all you guys for watching my content, and I'm always there to make great content for you guys. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this video. I'll definitely look forward to having this locomotive on the layout soon, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a good day, everybody.